Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetrading.system.com. I'm making this small video again about the gold. So let's get started. Gold has been very, fast moving, amazing, giving me so many trades. So let's go take a look one by one. This is the monthly chart. Excuse me. I made it on the March 30th, right? Monthly chart. This is Elliott wave count. Wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5 should end here somewhere. Black count, right? And wave 5 also have 5 subwaves. Wave 1, ABC 2, 3, ABC 4, and then wave 5, blue count, will end this black wave 5 count, black count, right? Into this area. 2461, maybe here, 2534, somewhere there, right? So let's say 25, right? So somewhere around 2500, the price should end. Similarly, the same day, I made the initial or the first target as the first target weekly chart is this. So my weekly chart was like this, a 2273 target, or maybe like around like 2300. Then it will go up for 2500 somewhere here for my monthly target, right? Similarly, I made a smaller chart with this small count. Let me show you that. No, not this one. Okay, where it is. This is the weekly chart, and there was discount on my, Renko chart. This is wave one, two, and then one, two, three, four, and then wave five. I was expecting that I will be there around 2240 in this area for wave three ending, and then wave four will come followed by wave four, and then we'll go up again for wave five, right? That's the idea, five waves. Just like this one, two, three, and then four, and then five subwaves, right? The black con will do the same thing. So let's get started and see what happened and what kind of trades I got. So this one, okay, no, not this one here. Okay, sorry. All right, so this is right. So let me see from here. Well, that was a wrong folder. So it start to go, and then it hit this target. Okay. And then from there, I said, okay, it's gonna drop. Well, going to the upside, these are a couple of trades I had. This one and this one. Right. Then I said that is gonna drop for wave four here on the 400 chart. And it did. Yes, it did. Right. So coming down, I had a couple of short. This one, big trade on the first, and then another one somewhere. This one of these entry right there. Right. Then I made the chart that's gonna turn around and then go up again for wave five, somewhere there above this. And what happened to this chart? Pay attention. First, I recorded this on yesterday, second, and today, as of today, it is like this. All the way. I have to shrink the chart so that I can cover it in the screen. So this is one, two, three, four, and then I'm supposed to have wave five ending here, but it dipped and then went up and then dip and it went up, on and on and on and on. Why? Because my target, anyway, it was to the upside. But from here on, how many trades I have? Watch. This one on the first start to go up. This is the entry, and then this trade end up like this, all the way here. Then on the next day, it dip, then start to go up again. This is the entry and exit on the second. Then on the third today, again it dip and then start to go up again. And this is the entry, the first entry, all the way here. I close. On the same day, today, on 3rd April, there was another entry here, dip, and this entry, right? And then I closed below 2298, below 23, right? And then you see this here, this entry, next chart you will see. This entry was taken as well. And then it went, and then 2299 that we end up, right? Now, why 2299 I closed these trades? Because there's another chart I just made, and I was targeting that. I forgot to have it here. Let me just quickly get it. No, not this one. This one. I just made this chart. This is, you see this? This is a butterfly pattern ending here, which is exactly 2300. So this is why I closed this at 22.99. See this? At 161%, the butterfly pattern, and it usually gives like, something like that maybe coming in. Regardless, I had two entries, right from here, right? One from here, one from here. So I said, what the hell with it? This 1.61 coming 2302, and I closed both of them. One is 22.98, and the other one is on 22.99. And now I'm waiting for it to drop first and then maybe go to the upside again, because the monthly target. Now I'm going to show you current, those monthly and weekly chart where they are now. This is the monthly chart now. Powerfully going to the upside. This is the target I showed you first, and then the weekly chart is also powerfully going towards. First target is already taken out. This was the first target, this trend line, and the 100%. Now it's going for the second target, 127%, which is 23.99, and then 25.60 or 25, maybe, somewhere here, 25, right? Which is the monthly target as well. 24.61, and then 25.34. So let's say in between somewhere, 35, intersection of these two channels, blue channel and the black channel. All right. So this is what's happening. Just wanted to share with you guys that how many trades I have, and then how many trades my system give me entries again and again and again. Let me show you the 40-minute, 20-minute entry chart. You will see it's amazing, entries, all of these. So this one, I took this. I just showed you this one, this one, this one, this one. Right. Even before I had so many. This one I had all the way to the upside. Entries after entries after entries. All of these. This one, this one, this one. So many trades I just showed you. And this is the beauty about the system, right? So this is it for now. Don't want to show anything else. I have several other trades. Yen pairs went up big time, 3 or 4 100 pip each trade. Pound yen, euro yen, Aussie yen. After the red news and USD early in the morning, around 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock. So I'll show that in the next videos. But see the gold, how powerful it is moving. And we still have a room, but maybe that chart that I just showed you, that it might dip here first and then go to the upside. Regardless, it's 10 p.m. Eastern time and it's slow time. I'm just going to take some rest, right? So if it goes up, fine. Thank you very much. But if it dips somewhere here and then again start to go up, I will be all over it again tonight and tomorrow, right? So this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the trading week. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, my YouTube channel, so you can get these setups like this so that you can take advantage of it. All right. So a lot of people probably will be going long here, but this is a danger area. This is, these Fibonacci numbers, this Fibonacci extension, it's 127. I'm not showing 127 here, but 127, if not, then 1.618 or 161.8, definitely. I would say 98% of the time it gives the reaction, or it's gonna be, so I'm expecting a down move and then follow up to the upside. All right. So bye for now and talk to you guys later.